What's the meaning of cataract? Cataract. Cataract.
Cataract. Cataract. A cataract is a clouding of the eye's natural lens that affects vision. It develops gradually and can occur in one or both eyes. The types of cataracts include age-related, congenital, secondary, and traumatic. Age-related cataracts are the most common and occur as a result of aging and exposure to UV radiation. Congenital cataracts are present at birth or develop during childhood. Secondary cataracts develop as a result of another medical condition, such as diabetes. Traumatic cataracts occur due to an eye injury. Cataracts can be treated through surgery to remove and replace the affected lens.